If you ever want to create a terrain or site map for your project without any additional plugins, here's how to do it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep you updated to our new video tutorials. Now we're in our SketchUp workspace display. To begin, let's ensure that the Sandbox tools appear on the screen. Alternatively, if no toolbars are displayed in your display, you can click Toolbars in your View menu. The pop-up window for the toolbox will appear. Now, what we're going to do is to find the checkbox beside the Sandbox toolbar and select it. Once you do that, the Sandbox toolbar will appear. By simply dragging the toolbar, you can also relocate it to another location. Let's get started. Create a rectangular plot as the base of our terrain contour lines. And then, move the plot nearby to the origin. Let's group the plot we've created, so that it won't affect the next entity we'll create. We can do that by right-clicking and selecting Make Group. Let's create a terrain by first creating a series of contours using the Freehand tool. Click on the first location and drag the mouse in the direction, shape, or form you prefer. For now, let's just have the shape, and since it is a contour, let's make sure it is closed. You now have your first contour line at elevation 0. Click a distance from the existing contour line we created to create a second contour line. Be sure not to cross the lines that you created when drawing the second contour line. If you accidentally cross the line, erase it and create another line to connect it. One of the peak locations of our terrain is outlined by these two contour lines. Using the Scale tool, let's enlarge the size of the plot. And then using the Freehand tool, let's draw another contour line for the second peak of the mountain. We want our terrain to be smooth, so we should remove any extra lines or joints. Finish creating the contour until it takes the form you desire. If necessary, adjust the lot size. We are almost there. Now let's create the boundary line and the edge contour of the terrain. Now, when you're done with your contouring, we will be moving all the contours lines to each of the assigned elevations. And this is the end of this tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn this contour lines into a real terrain. Please follow and subscribe.